High protein hummus. Easy, delicious, and great in minutes. We're going to take 2 cups of chickpeas or garbanzos cooked and with the liquid removed, 1/4 cup of good quality dark sesame oil, 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt, a clove of garlic, 1/4 cup of cilantro, and the juice of 3 limes. This is it. Then we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder or a 1/4 teaspoon of toasted cumin seeds. Blend, serve, and enjoy an amazing hummus. You are going to love it. You can add it to vegetables, you can add it to toast, you can add it to wraps and sandwiches. A spread that is higher in protein and delicious. Here goes the lime juice that I had forgotten. Keep this hummus at home and have an amazing protein snack any time of the day. Use it for spreads and just enjoy it with raw vegetables. Chef Pachi, where delicious diets are sustainable diets. Enjoy! Subscribe and learn how to cook delicious food in minutes.